First thing on the back of your paper, with your pencil or your crayon, what you need to write is your first and last name. After you write your name, please write the date and add your teacher's name. After you've written those things down, you may turn your paper over so we can begin our drawing. Name, date, and teacher. The first step to drawing a polar bear, we're going to start with a curved line on top for the top of his head. The next step, we're going to draw these lines all the way down to the edge of the paper. Where it kind of flares out at the bottom just a little bit. This is going to be our polar bear's head. Now in the very middle of the paper was where we're going to draw the nose. So first with your finger, find the middle of the paper. And the nose is going to start with a horizontal line, and it's going to flare out on the sides, and then we're going to connect the bottom. Makes kind of like a shape like a home plate in baseball. The next step, we're going to add the polar bear's mouth. So we're going to now draw a vertical line coming from the bottom of the nose. And from this vertical line, you're going to add a horizontal line. That helps to complete the mouth. Okay, next step, we're going to kind of make the snout. Watch closely. This will be continued on the bottom. Next part, we're going to move on to the eyes. Start with 2 small circles for the eyes. Then you're going to put an almond shape around those 2 small circles. Next step, we're going to add 2 ears. Now all of our line work is done, and we need to color in the areas that need to be dark, starting with the nose. Next part on the eyes. Make sure you leave the little white space of the circle. Ears. Now, if you can work without making any noise, no talking is allowed today. If you talk during this lesson, the sub will take your name and you will not get to participate in the next art lesson. So if you can work quietly on this, you guys can watch a video called The Arctic Tale and color quietly. If you finish coloring in all the way, then you can draw something on the back around your name, or just sit quietly and watch the video.